Hello, can you hear me? Hello, am I audible to you? Hello, am I audible to you? Can you hear me? Just hello. I can't hear you at all. Can you rejoin once?
Yeah, 1 minute.
Now I can hear you now. Now,
Yeah,
yes.
is that good now? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, madam. Am I audible?
Now I
Hello.
can hear you. Yes, 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 yes. I can
Yeah,
hear you
yeah,
now.
yeah. I'm sorry. I just came from the office. I'm just sorry. And
It's
also,
okay.
I'm new to. Yeah, I'm new to this tech meet. I can handle in Zoom or Google Meet, and just it took me some
Okay,
time to
okay.
join. Yeah.
It's
Thank you.
okay. It's
Mm,
so easy. Just go live
okay.
every day. There will be no any link for per day.
Okay.
Okay, you can
Okay.
just go click on go live and can join. And
Okay.
another
Sure.
like a benefit of this app, I'll show you
Mhm.
later. First, we'll
Okay.
conduct a demo.
Okay.
So right now, which topic do you want?
Yeah, whatever you suggested some linear algebra something you just posted in WhatsApp. Whatever the
Okay,
topic,
okay,
that's fine for me.
okay, okay. So
So my
you
profile,
yeah tell yeah tell me.
yeah, my profile as of now, I'm just working as a data scientist and I'm leading the team.
Okay,
Yeah, I just deliver a few projects and I'm a statistics graduate. Uh,
okay,
so I didn't do well in my graduation, though I'm a statistics
okay,
student. Yeah.
okay.
So I have some idea about statistics, but now I want to go in depth because I, as a data scientist and as a leading team,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah,
yeah,
that's
yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
yes, that's the reason I am here
Because
now.
yeah, yeah. So you want to do these all topics which I have sent you, or means few of out of them?
All
These all
topics,
of?
all topics, all topics.
All right.
Yeah.
So let's start matrix in linear
Okay.
algebra, shall we? All
Yeah,
right.
sure. Hmm.
Okay. Can you see the whiteboard?
Yes.
All right. So let's
Hmm.
start matrix. What it mean? Let us understand. When we arrange elements in rectangular form, then we say this arrangement is matrix. Or we can say if we arrange elements means they can be or either numbers, letters, or symbols. Okay, so when we arrange elements in rows and columns, then we can say this arrangement is said to be matrix. Okay, so we can
Okay.
say a rectangular arrangement of elements. In elements, we have numbers, letters, or symbols. Symbols is said to be matrix. Okay, so let us understand by using an example. Let matrix A, like having elements A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. So we are arranging here elements in rows. Horizontal arrangement is said to be row, and vertical arrangement is said to be column. These are columns. Are you getting?
Yeah, yeah, madam. Yeah.
Okay, okay. And we always represent a matrix by using capital letter of English alphabet and Element can be number, letters, or symbol. Okay. And
Okay.
we have two rows and three columns. So its order is 2 by 3. We write here only, okay? And we read as 2 by 3, not 6, okay? So
Okay.
here we have two rows. These are two rows and three columns, okay? So we can write here its order is 2 by 3. This is its order. Got it?
Yeah. Yeah. Got it, madam. Yeah.
Okay. So now let us learn types of matrices. Now, type types of matrices. As you know very well, plural form of matrices. Okay.
Matrices.
So first type is row matrix. In row matrix, a matrix having only one row. We can have as many as column, but having only one row. That is said to be row matrix. Okay, let me write more clear. Row is said to be row matrix. Let us understand by using few examples. Like we have matrix B, so like having element x, y, z. We have three columns but only one row. And take few more example. Matrix Q is equal to having 5, 7, 9. Or we can take few more of different order like matrix P having 2 and 3, only two elements, and we can say two columns and only one row. Are you getting?
Yes, madam. Yeah.
Okay. So let us learn next type, column matrix. Column matrix. Similarly, we'll write a matrix which having only single column or only one column. A matrix. I'll give you notes also. Okay. So no need to
Yes.
write anything, and you will see this saved whiteboard in class. Okay. I'll show you how can
Okay.
you find this saved whiteboard. A
Mm-hmm.
matrix is sorry having only single column or one column. It's only one. Sorry, is said to be column matrix. Let us take few examples. Matrix C having only single column, like having A, B, C. We have single column and we have three rows. We have three rows, but only having single column. This one. Vertical arrangement is only one, so this is single column. D matrix D having only these one column and two rows. So these are two examples of column matrix. Got it?
Yes, madam. Yeah.
Yeah. And we also will learn later. Obviously, we write vector in this form.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, in the form of either row matrix or column matrix. We write vector. We'll learn later. Then I'll explain you well all. Now
Yes.
next type is square matrix. Square matrix. A matrix having equal number of rows and column, then it is said to be square matrix. A matrix having equal number of,
Rows and columns.
yes, rows and
Columns.
columns is said to be square matrix. We have more types also, but after doing some operations, we can do them. Okay?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So let us take an example of square matrix. We have element A1, B1, E2, B2. So we can say this is 2 by 2 order square matrix. Got it? We have two rows and two columns.
Columns.
Yeah. And take one more example, because they'll give you means most frequently of 2 by 2 and 3 by 3. Sometimes they'll give you an, but for different purpose. When we'll do vector, then I'll explain you why they need or more order. Okay, but usually in matrix they'll give you maximum 3 by 3 order.
Okay.
A1, B1, C1, E2, B2, A3, B3, C3.
Three.
So here we have three rows and three columns. So its order is 3 by 3. I'm writing here. Order is 3 by 3. And its order is 2 by 2. Got it?
Yeah, madam.
Yeah. So now next topic is we have a few lots of types, but based on operations. Okay. So we'll do them later, because this is we'll use them these three types more frequently. That is why. And yeah, um, yeah, showing you two more. Fourth type, yeah, unit matrix. Okay, mm, sorry. Fourth type is diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. Uh, let us understand this by using an example. Like we have matrix A, and this is diagonal. Okay, in a diagonal
Mm-hmm.
matrix, we have diagonal elements only non-zero, and all other elements are 0, 0. This is diagonal. So we have only here non-zero elements, and all other elements are 0, 0. Then this form of matrix is said to be diagonal matrix.
Okay. Madam, can I know what is the difference between diagonal and confusion matrix?
Pardon?
Can I know what is the difference between diagonal matrix and confusion matrix?
Confusion.
Yes.
Maybe they are using some operation. I'll explain you. Let me check this
Okay, okay,
term.
okay.
If yeah,
Yeah,
because in
I mean
main types.
because because in our cases when we evaluate the
Okay.
data, I think same. I think diagonal matrix is the same that we use.
Convolution.
Uh,
Convolution.
we
Convolution.
we we call it confusion only. We call it confusion
Okay.
matrix in data science. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. I'm telling you what it means. Okay, I'll explain you this. Okay, that because first let us learn few operations about that. Then I'll
Okay.
explain you because we'll use some operations in that case.
Yeah, yeah. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This is out of.
It's
I'm
okay.
sorry.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think you are going
Sure,
in
sure.
good flow. You are feeding like a
Yeah, yeah.
kid.
It's okay.
Like that.
This is in machine learning. Now I can understand.
Yes,
That is
yes, yes,
why
yes.
you'll have.
Mm.
I'll explain
Yeah.
you later because before that we need to learn some basic
Mm.
operations. Then we'll do
Yeah. Yeah.
certainly. Okay. And you
Okay.
can send me
Okay.
your project or any type of question which you have. Then I'll explain
Okay.
you. But
Sure.
before
Sure.
that, we need, yeah.
Mm. Mm.
So this is diagonal matrix, and in diagonal matrix we have non-zero only in diagonal, and all other are zero zero.
Mm.
And next
Mm.
type we have scalar matrix. In a scalar matrix, we have same as this is also a type of diagonal matrix in which we have all elements same in diagonal and all other are zero zero. For example, we have matrix B having all elements same like 5, 5, 5, same in diagonal. Okay. In scalar matrix, we have same elements in diagonal and all other are zero zero. We can take like matrix P of order 2 by 2 also, not only this 2, 3, 0, 0. This is of 2 by 2. And we can take here also like 7, 7, 0, 0. In scalar matrix, we have same elements in diagonal, and in diagonal we can have different also. Okay, but we can say scalar matrix also a type of diagonal matrix. How you got it?
Yeah. Yeah. Got it. Yeah, got it.
Okay, next type, unit matrix or identity matrix or identity matrix. This is a type of also a diagonal matrix in which we have diagonal element only same, a one, one, one only. Identity one is we say identity element only in diagonal and all other are zero zero. Then this is said to be identity matrix or unit matrix. And we can take of 2 by 2 also. Okay. Sometime in some material you can have like I3. I3 means this one. Okay. This one they can give
Mhm.
you. Yeah. I3, or you can just simple can write I. See, we can represent a previous matrix by using any symbol, but in identity matrix we use only I. Okay,
Mm.
and this is I2, or simply you can represent by I. Got it?
Yes, madam. Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah. Null matrix next type. Sorry. Okay, seventh type. Null matrix or zero matrix. So in a matrix, if all elements are zero zero, see till here in these types we will have only square matrix. Okay, square matrix, and this is also must be a square matrix, these diagonal, scalar, identity. But in null or zero matrix, it is denoted by always by O, and all elements are zero zero, and order can be any, not only square. Okay, we can have in any order. this also, or got it? So these are
Yeah.
few types of null matrix. Now we learn operations on matrices one by one. Obviously, you have done previously. Maybe you got gap between like your projects and study, right? That is why you don't remind. Am I right?
Uh, no, but I mean, I have some basic knowledge about the statistics, and now I am currently doing work in statistics domain only. But I want to be
Okay.
very particular about evaluating these things because stats made my life actually. Mm,
Okay. Yeah.
yeah, that's the thing.
So
Yeah.
yeah, sure, I can understand.
Mm.
So I'm asking if you want to do linear algebra also, right? All the topics which
Yes,
you have
madam.
in data, right?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes. Linear algebra, everything.
Sure, sure.
Yeah.
Now let us learn transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix. Let A be any matrix, then any matrix, and A we have having elements like X, Y, Z, A, B, C. We have elements, and transpose of A is denoted by this symbol, or in some material or in some book they can use this symbol also, this one also, or by using this also, by using simple dash. So what it means by transpose of a matrix, just convert either rows into columns or columns into rows. Got it? Either rows we can write in into columns, or we can write columns into row. For like we are finding transpose of this matrix, so we have three columns:
Okay.
X, Y, and A, B, C. We have. So this is transpose of a matrix A. You got it?
Yeah, yeah, madam.
Yeah. These are simple transpose. You can use any one of them. Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Or most frequent is this, but in me, so people use these also. Some authors use this and these also. That is what I'm
Mm-hmm.
telling you. So now let's learn operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication. Shall we?
Yeah. I mean, just operations,
Okay.
how matrix is useful for our real life. Basic, simple things.
Obviously, see, because data science based on vectors. Okay, and
Correct.
vectors can be written in the form of matrix. Okay.
Correct.
For
Correct.
example, we have matrix A, like having elements A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. This matrix can be written in the form of vector, like means we take this vertical form. Okay,
Okay.
so we can write this matrix like let vector vectors U having components A1, A2, vector V having components V1, V2, and W we are taking having components C1, C2.
C2. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So obviously we need vectors. So and we can represent any matrix in the form of, this is widely used in data science. Okay.
Correct. Correct.
Yeah. And we use this also like in linear programming also. See, in business models and many more, we have lots of use of matrices
Mm-hmm.
because nowadays we are using in data science, but previously we use in lots of places. We can find unknown like values also, like we can form in equations and can solve by using matrix method. We learn later. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So shall we do further? Okay, I'm telling you one more most important operation on matrices, which will you will use in data science also. So
Okay.
maybe you have used already. You have seen that trace of a matrix. Remember, to make you remember or not yet? Trace,
Sorry.
trace of matrix. Norm, trace. These terms are most frequently used in.
I think I have used it, but I'm not. I mean, the naming will be different. If you can show me the functionality, I can relate it actually.
Sure, sure. These are basics, but we use means in advanced level also, because to do advanced level, we need to know
Mm.
basics also. Okay?
Yes, yes, madam. Yeah, you are correct. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So, trace of matrix. This is so simple.
Mm-hmm.
So, trace of a matrix. Let us take an example: matrix A having elements 2, 5, 6, 7, 1, 4, 3, 5, 9. So we write trace of matrix. In short form, we write TR, trace of matrix. A is equal to, just add diagonal elements. Just add them. So 2
Okay.
plus 4 plus 9 we have is equal to 15. So trace of this matrix is 15 only.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And one more norm of a matrix. And you are using also norm of a vector. Different types of norm of vector.
Mm-hmm.
Make you remember?
No, actually,
Okay.
I mean these things. We
So
use it the transpose matrix, unit matrix. We call it as a data frame in data science. Actually, Python.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah. Uh, the basic matrix which you have told me now just now, that
So
the same thing we use.
okay, okay, okay. Because okay, but we need to learn all of them to do.
Yes, madam.
As you
Yeah.
want to, yeah. Norm of a matrix. We rarely, we use norm of a matrix, but more than that, we use norm of a vector most
Mhm.
frequently. Yeah. So shall we do or not yet? What do you say?
Sorry, this norm of matrix.
Yeah, shall we do or is it enough for demo? What do you want? Shall we do that?
Yeah, it's fine. I mean, I got good amount of experience with you. Connecting is worthy. Be part of this demo. If Yeah, I am fine if you can explain of norm of matrix. This is also, it will be useful.
Sure, sure, we'll do.
Yeah, yeah.
Surely we'll do it.
Mm.
Okay. And I'm telling you one more thing is that you can find
Okay.
this saved whiteboard. as well as this recorded lecture here. I'm telling you, one
Oh,
second,
sure, sure. I'm glad.
where you can see
It's a
here
screen.
you can see the recording. Okay, because we didn't save yet. That is why.
Okay.
But in study material section, you can see saved
Mm-hmm.
whiteboard.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So
Oh,
during
it's
the
nice.
class, no need to write anything. Just click on the study material section in your class and you can
Mm-hmm.
find it.
Oh, sure. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, madam. Yeah, got it.
That is why I use this
Oh,
teachment.
nice, 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 nice. I think this is a part of Urban Pro, or this is a separate one.
This is separate one.
Oh, okay, okay, fine, fine.
Okay.
This is very good actually.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. One more topic we can do before the norm. I'm telling you, which would be
Mm-hmm.
more good for you before to learn norm. Uh, uh, Determinant of a matrix. Okay. This is
Okay.
most important to perform any operation. That is why. Determinant of a matrix. What it mean? Let us understand. Let matrix A with standard form. Standard form, I'm telling you, having elements. First of all, I'm telling you for 2 by 2 because we can only find determinant for square matrix. Okay.
Okay.
So let us take its standard form. Standard form having element A11, A12, A21, A22. What it mean by these elements? This A11 represent, this is element of first row and first column. Got it?
Mm-hmm. Mm, yeah.
And A12 is element of first row but of second column. This is first row but this is of second column. That is why we are writing here A12. And
Mm.
A21, this is element of second row but of first column. So this first number represent row and second represent column. Similarly, it is the element of second row and second column. This is standard form of a matrix. You'll use this form frequently, means not only till 2 by 2. Usually you will use till n at, for nth order. So that is why I'm telling you what it means. And this is of 2 by 2. And similarly, we can write a 3 by 3 also. So first of all, I'm telling you how to find determinant of a matrix of order 2 by 2.
Mm.
Are you getting which I'm saying?
Yes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Got it. Locations. Yes.
Okay, determinant of matrix A is denoted by this symbol, and just keep the all elements in the same form and just multiply lead diagonal. See, this diagonal is said to be lead diagonal and this diagonal is said to be other diagonal. Okay, so just first
Mm-hmm.
multiply the elements of leading diagonal. So just multiply A11 into A22 minus, now multiply elements of other diagonal A A21 into A12. Okay. So this is like you can say formula or a way or method to find determinant of matrix 2 by 2 order. Got it?
Yeah.
Now let us learn how can we find determinant of 3 by 3 order matrix. First of all, let us do one example related to this matrix. So we have a matrix P having element 5, 3, 4, 7. See, in matrix we have the column of this type, but to find determinant for determinant we have this column. Okay,
Yeah.
this bracket we have. Yeah, and for matrix we have this bracket. So we need to find determinant of P. So just write in this form. This is determinant of P is equal to, we are writing in the same form these elements of P. So just multiply first of all elements of leading diagonal 5 into
30,
7.
35
Yeah,
minus 12.
yeah, yes. So this is determinant of matrix P. Got it?
Yeah, madam. Yeah.
Yeah. So, but to find determinant of 3 by 3 order, a little bit lengthy than it, because in matrix for 3 by 3, we need to find such three determinant of 2 by 2 and then simplify further. So, shall we do in next class or want to do right now? What do you say?
No, no, no. Next class. I just don't want waste your time. Next class. Oh, no problem.
No, no, it's
Yeah.
okay. Time is not wasting if you are learning. So it would be good.
Yeah.
So if you can
I'm
do,
glad.
if
I'm just want to
oh,
know new topics from you. I'm glad to be here.
okay, so you want new topic? Any right
Yeah.
now?
Yes. How about we discuss about uh,
Uh, like
T
tell.
square, T square, ANOVA.
Yeah, sure, we'll do. But before that, you need to learn. Tell me if you know these topics I'm asking you. Because to learn this ANOVA or T test, I mean various tests, we need
Okay.
to know well probability
Okay.
and permutation combination and also mean, variance, standard
Mhm.
deviation, and
Mm.
absolute value. These terms we need to know well. Only then we can understand.
Yeah, just as per we
Yeah.
use our in regular our daily basis, but I don't
Okay.
know the depth as a statistician. But I with the data when we compare and it is really matching with the real world, then we'll proceed. It is
Sure, sure.
doing good.
Sure, sure.
The
Sure, sure.
standard deviation, mean, more median, these things I know, and probability,
Okay, okay.
conditional probability.
Okay.
Probability, these things I am aware of. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, these things I am aware of.
All right.
The matrix,
So,
just we
mhm.
discussed that matrix, all the things I did in Python, the data frame, the matrix I performed. Actually, it is very really interesting. The we can really experiment with Python code, whatever the topics you were telling here.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. It's
So,
like
mhm.
not only theory, it's like a practical that we can get out of something about our learning.
Sure, sure.
Yeah.
So you want to do T test, right?
Yes. Yes.
So tell me which time suits you because it will take more time. Means like at least we need half an hour for this. At
Oh, I
least,
think we
yeah,
don't have that much of time.
yeah. That is why I'm saying you.
Okay,
Okay,
no
because
problem.
because we need to understand what is the concept behind it. First of all, we need to learn that. We need to understand
Yeah.
that. Then we'll use this T test,
Okay, sure,
right?
madam. Yeah, yeah. Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yeah.
Yeah. What is hypothesis testing and why we use it and what is
Mm,
the conclusion and
yes,
where we use which test. That is
yeah.
why. Okay.
Correct, correct. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm.
So we'll definitely do. If you want in next class, then we can do in next class also. And if you will do after some terms, then we can
Mm-hmm.
do that.
Okay, no problem. We can we can do next. Sorry, we can do
Okay,
in
okay.
next class. I just want
Sure,
to.
sure. So
Mm.
tell me one more thing. You want to do one to one or you want to do in batch?
Uh, both the things fine with me, but I just want to know. I don't want to. I just want to know the charge that you charge,
Sure,
price that you
sure.
charge.
Sure, sure,
Because
sure.
I don't want.
I'll met.
I do.
Yeah,
It's okay.
tell me.
I just don't want the any bargaining like that because uh, you are a expert. I know. Uh, I mean, if you give me some sort of concession, I can go with one on one. I
Sure, sure.
really
I'll
want to. I really want to travel with you. I want to start the basic statistics from
sure,
beginning. Yeah, this is like experiment. I experimenting the things. Yes, yeah. If you suggest me to be in a batch, I can be there also. No problem. Yeah, that's the thing.
sure,
At
sure,
least I
sure.
would like to spend
Actually,
1 or 2 hours in the
per
in
day.
this yeah for a day. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So actually, in batch, they are students of college, you know.
Okay.
And
Mm-hmm.
what you you want to do for like as a professional means, as you know very well. So your need is different. So I'll prefer you to do one to one even. And if you want to join batch, then you can do in batch also. I'll message you charges for both.
Okay.
Okay, so you go with anyone.
Sure, madam. Sure, sure. This
Okay,
really interesting. Yeah.
sure, sure.
Mm,
Because as you know, in batch we do like common question, even we do question from all. Okay,
mm-hmm.
and they
Mm.
have a certain time, but you have like time of your own, but they have certain time for exam. So as you wish, you can join, and I'll message you for both conditions.
Yeah, sure, madam. That sounds good.
Sure.
Um, can I? I mean, just I would like to know if you have no objection to tell. Can I know
Yeah.
about you? I mean, where are you from, and are you a government professor or a lecturer in an university?
No, no.
Just
Actually, right now I'm private tutor. Actually, since COVID, before COVID, I taught past in institute and college also, and
okay.
since COVID, I'm just taking online tuitions.
Oh, that sounds great. And
Yeah,
you are from?
Delhi.
Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, okay. Just I did my graduation. Is there any possibility that I can do my post graduation by doing this job in statistics?
Okay, in data science, yes, there are
No,
lots of
pure
options.
MSc statistics, pure statistics.
Sure, sure, you can do.
Yeah,
Nowadays, lots of institute, lots of universities are offering this, so you can do.
yeah, okay, yeah, okay. I tried just some central universities, but they are inviting us to college. They don't want they don't want us to do some other work
Online.
and
Okay, okay.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay. I'll check that. Which
Mm-hmm.
universities are offering remote education,
Yeah.
online education? Then I'll
Mhm.
tell you. Okay.
Okay. Okay, madam. Then I'm really interested in probabilities, these kind of things, probability and evaluation
Sure,
part,
sure,
and maybe bias and central limit theorem and bias theorem. These things I
sure,
need to
sure,
know. These are
sure,
my
sure,
requirements.
sure.
Yeah, yeah.
Sure, sure. If you want to do tomorrow's stats, then we can do, and you want to go with algebra only, and or can do both together because as you want 2 hours per day, then 1 hour we can do linear algebra and another hour we can do
Mm-hmm.
statistics.
Okay. As you send me some
Sure.
index
Sure, sure.
data science in WhatsApp, you have shared me something.
Yeah, yeah. I've sent you
Yeah.
like all related topics. Okay.
Yes, yes,
Because
yes,
in
yes, yes.
these topics we have lots of subtopics, but main
Mhm.
topics I have sent you.
Mm.
Me-
Can I know how
Main.
many days it will take for me if I start doing from tomorrow?
Okay, let me check how many subtopics are there. Now I
Mhm.
get like it's about you, how soon you can learn. Then let me check and get back to you. Can I message you about
Oh,
that?
sure.
So,
That's
can you can tell me your time frame means duration in which you want to do, like by which month and in how many months, or like a time period in which you want to complete this all.
yeah. I'm just expecting I mean, knowledge is about all about eternal. This is not like
Sure,
one
sure.
month or 2 months. It's not like one
Sure,
month or
sure,
two
sure.
months.
Sure,
I
sure. That's what
think
I'm saying. Yeah, I'll
it
tell
will be
you
less.
about a number of hours, okay, in which you can
Okay. Yeah.
approximately complete it. Then you
Yeah.
can consider in how many days or month you can cover, okay?
Yes. If I get good amount of concession or something, I would like to continue 1 year. Or yeah, that is the
Sure,
thing.
sure.
Want to
Sure, sure.
do some experiments that many things are in my mind that I can do. I think we can solve many problems
Sure,
from
sure.
the
You
start.
can share me, okay? Which kind of
Yeah.
question, which kind of project you need help. Then you can share
Mm.
me, okay? Yeah.
Yeah. You don't. Just give me 1 minute. I just want to share one thing about statistics, which really
Sure,
helped me in.
sure.
Yeah, there was a issue that when I joined to my office newly,
Okay.
they are trying to fetch the data from database, whatever the word they give. If suppose you enter some word in Google, so something, it gives you a related information to you, whatever you type in
I'm
the Google.
I'm not getting you what you want to ask. Can you send me an image which you want to ask, please? If you
I'm
have
not
any question,
asking. I'm not asking. I'm telling my experience about the statistics. Are you getting?
I'm really no, I'm not getting what you want to say. I'm not getting. So it would be
Okay.
better if you can send me,
Okay.
uh,
Sure. Sure. Sure.
yeah,
Just
any
we can.
assignment or anything which you want to
Mhm.
learn.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. I will for sure. I will share that. Okay.
sure, sure.
Yeah.
Because
Is is there anything
yeah,
that you want me to tell, or you want me to give some tips to follow your classes or something?
sure, sure. I'll certainly give to you. Okay, certainly
Yeah.
give to you.
Mm.
Yeah. Now you know how can you revise or can see obviously in your class this
Mm-hmm.
lecture and the saved whiteboard. Obviously, I have shared you, so you can
Mm-hmm.
check it again. Yeah.
Mm. Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Yeah, okay, madam. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Sure.
Please
You're welcome.
have a look on that price list.
Sure. Sure. Sure.
I
I'll
hope.
message you. Sure.
Okay, sure.
All
Thank you
right.
so much. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay. Well.